If you need to know which Squarespace version your website is running, this quick method will save you time and a lot of guessing. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to check your Squarespace version from inside your site's backend without digging through menus. This is especially helpful if you're following a tutorial, trying to install the right template instructions, or troubleshooting a setting that works differently between versions. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your website's active backend editing workspace. Make sure you're signed into the correct Squarespace site, because if you manage more than one website, you want to confirm the version for the one you're actually working on. Once you're inside the editing area, you do not need to browse through every menu manually. Now press the / key on your keyboard, which is the / symbol. This opens the universal search bar. Think of this as a shortcut that helps you find tools and settings much faster than clicking around the side panel. Once the search bar appears, type the word version or help into the search field. Either option should guide you toward the information area you need. After typing the word, press enter. Squarespace will instantly skip past the usual side menus and take you directly to the configuration information screen. On this screen, you should see your Squarespace version number displayed clearly. This is the key detail you're looking for because it tells you whether your site is running on version 7.0 or 7.1, which can affect design options, page setup, and how certain features work. If you don't see the result right away, make sure you're in the correct editing workspace and try the /search again. Sometimes people are looking in the public page view instead of the backend, and this method only works from the active editing environment. Also, double check your spelling when typing version or help, because the search only works properly if Squarespace can match the query. Once you confirm the version number, you can use that information to follow the right Squarespace guide, install compatible design instructions, or make the correct edits for your site. This tiny shortcut can honestly save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple pages or learning Squarespace for the first time. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Squarespace version quickly using the built-in search shortcut. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick website tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.